Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, or welcome to the channel if you're new. And welcome to this. In this video, we'll talk about Mask. All right, the Mask network has been very bullish. Basically, like you can see that there was some sort of a slight range down here between 3.15 and arguably like 2.85, 2.95, depending on how you look at it. It broke out of that range earlier last morning. Got a lot of momentum. There's probably some manipulation going on, but that doesn't matter that much. So it got that bullish breakout, and then what you can see is that basically ever since, if I can actually take a look at that for you, ever since the momentum has been growing. Like the open interest and the volume have grown exponentially right here, basically until about an hour ago. And then the open interest fell down a bit, but it's still very bullish, and Mask still has a lot of momentum. So I just wanted to take a look at it. Interestingly, I did see this rally yesterday morning. There were a couple of breakouts which I was looking at to potentially enter. Mask was one of them. I did not enter, but it was covered in a potentially rallying list, which is sent every single day in the premium group. So if you want access to that, if you want to know which cryptos have a higher likelihood of rallying, so you know it before they rally, which everybody who got the list did, consider joining premium group. I just launched it yesterday. There's amazing value in there. But now let's take a look at Mask. All right. So like I said, I mean, purely technically, Mask is still very bullish. Like it started some sort of a rally here. The open interest and the volume is still increasing. Open interest has not decreased significantly. And then apart from that, technically you can see that Mask right now is struggling a little bit with that level around 3.75, which is this key level right here, as you can see. So we can add that to the chart real quick. So it's struggling with that resistance level, which also is partially caused by the bearish momentum from Bitcoin. Like Bitcoin is going to test that level around 34,000, which, I mean, to do that, it still has to drop down a bit. So that's negatively influencing Mask as well. So in my eyes, the big test for Mask is going to be how it reacts to the main support level it has, which is between 3.65 and 3.55. All right, so that's this level right here. Let me put that on the chart as well. That's this level right here, and we will probably see a test of Mask from that level because of the bearish pressure in the markets. And let me zoom in a bit more so you can actually see it. All right, so that's the level. So what's going to happen is Mask is going to drop down to that level, and then the only way in which Mask could still rally up higher towards the next price targets, which are 4.1, 4.2, 4.25, that area, is if it holds this level. All right, if it holds that level and then gets a bullish breakout above 3.8. If it's able to do that, that's a major bullish confirmation, and Mask will rally up higher. But to be fair, I mean, with this pressure that Bitcoin is exerting on the markets and the resistance level that Mask has found, I'm not sure if it's going to be able to hold that level. If you're only looking at the open interest and the volume, you would say that it's most likely that it will hold it, because this still shows that Mask has a lot of momentum. But to be honest, the best thing to do is to wait for confirmation, because if Mask drops down to that level and does not find support or does not break above 3.8 from that support, then it's more likely that it will fall back down to 3.4, 3.35, and ultimately 3.2. So yeah, Mask is about to be very volatile again, but whether that's going to be more bullish volatility and more bullish momentum, that depends on how it reacts to 3.6. And to be 100% honest with you, I think it's a bit more likely that it will actually not hold that level, or that it does not get that bullish breakout after touching that level, and that it's more likely that Mask will fall. But that is very much based on what I expect from Bitcoin. All right, so keep an eye on that. Wait for that confirmation. That's the best thing to do. But those are my thoughts, and that's my analysis on Mask. So lastly, like I said, I have my own premium group. I also have my own signals group in which I share all of my trades. I'm a profitable trader, so if you want profitable trades, consider joining that. Links to both will be down in the description. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.